All right, so basically this is the MIXAMO interface. When you get here, it's divided on the left characters and on the right animations. The main thing is that characters are independent of animations. So you can come in here and find and select any character. So let's pick this demon. It asks you if you want to proceed with that, and you can use this character. I'll just start with this default character so that we can get some animations going, and later we can make our own, just upload a character, and it's gonna rig it for us and it'll be available. But basically, here's a character on T-pose. I'm just left clicking here to move around, right click to zoom in and out. They're pretty standard 3D controllers, medium click to pan, right? So you can download that, or here you have the upload character. I'll go back into this in a second. But basically here on animations, you can search for animations, and you have a group of them, but the moment you click on any of these, it just loads up the animation. And then it's a matter of, for example, you can make the step width shorter, or you can make it wider, and then you have an overdrive which exaggerates the motion, and if you push it down, it limits the motion, right? Arm space. So with each animation, you get a set of few different controllers that you can play around, and it just loads, and you can see it in real time. You can mirror the animation. Okay, so after you have your animation the way you want and customize it, here's the timeline on the bottom. Basically, you can click on download, and what this does is that it gives you a few settings. So you can download an FBX or a collada. I usually do an FBX binary with skinning or without skinning. If you do without skinning, you're just gonna get the animation with bones, and you can set the frames per second and the keyframe reduction, which I usually leave to none and figure that out after I download it. So when you download that, it just packages the entire asset into this FBX, and this FBX has the textures embedded into it. So if I open up Blender or Maya, in essence, we can just bring that in. Okay, so I'll go to downloads, see where this little fellow landed, and it's gonna be named as Capoeira import FBX, and there you have it. Basically, you have your animation loaded in here. It's as easy as that, and this should have textures on it. Let's pick this one. All right, so that's the basics of it. Then with uploading a character, I'm gonna do something a little bit silly, which is downloading one of these characters without skinning and then upload it and back. So I am gonna come here to animation, well, characters without skin. Well, that's kind of it. I'll do another video on how to set that one up.